Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset a Panasonic microwave. To perform a hard reset on a Panasonic microwave, there are some steps to follow. First of all, you have to start by unplugging the Panasonic microwave from the power outlet. This will ensure the safety during the reset process. After that, you have to leave the microwave unplugged for about 1 to 2 minutes. After the waiting period, plug the microwave back to the power outlet and then the exact reset procedure may vary slightly depending on the model of your Panasonic microwave. First of all, you have to look for the specific reset button or a combination of button on the control panel. Refer to your microwave user manual to exact location of your reset button. Then you have to press and hold the designated reset button or button for few seconds. This typically involves pressing and holding a combination like stop or reset or clear, and alternatively you need to press a specific sequence of buttons in a particular order to initiate the reset process. After resetting, you can plug the microwave back to the power outlet and then test the operation to see if the issue is resolved or not. If you are unsure about the reset procedure or encounter any difficulty, refer to the user manual of the Panasonic microwave for detailed instruction or troubleshooting tips. Hopefully this video will help you to hard reset a Panasonic microwave. Thanks for watching.